Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you Korea-type EPS ejector working well in our Chinese EPS mode. The design of Korea EPS ejector is different from Chinese type EPS ejector, as you can see from this video. But this is not difficult for us at all. As you can see, the Korea-type EPS ejector shaft diameter is 36 mm. It matches perfectly with our EPS mode. Our customer will choose 36 mm Korea-type EPS filling gun for this mode as well. Thanks to our customer provide us detailed dimension for the filling gun and ejector. For more information about EPS mode, leave your comments below or contact with us by email. If you want to see more videos like this, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next video.